Most students think success comes from studying longer. But science says something completely different. Because the students getting top grades usually aren't the ones studying 10 hours a day. They just know how to learn faster. And once you understand these 4 tips, studying starts feeling unfair. Tip 1, the biggest lie about studying. Here's the problem. Most students study like this: read, highlight, reread again, and somehow still forget everything in the exam. Because your brain doesn't learn by seeing information, it learns by retrieving information. That means instead of rereading notes, close the book and try remembering the answer yourself. This is called active recall, and it's one of the most powerful learning techniques ever discovered. Tip 2, why toppers forget on purpose. This sounds weird, but forgetting is actually part of learning. Top students don't study everything in one day. They review information at specific intervals. 1 day later, 3 days later, 1 week later. This method is called spaced repetition, and it forces your brain to strengthen memory every time you almost forget something. That's why cramming feels productive, but spaced repetition actually works. Tip 3, the focus trick nobody uses. Your brain is not designed to focus for 5 hours straight. After a while, your concentration collapses. That's why smart students use short intense sessions, 25 minutes of complete focus, 5-minute break. This is called the Pomodoro technique. No phone, no multitasking, just one task, because every notification destroys focus faster than you realize. Tip 4, study like you're teaching someone. Here's the final trick. If you can explain something simply, you truly understand it. After learning a topic, pretend you're teaching it to a 10-year-old kid. Use simple words. And whenever you get stuck, that's the exact part you need to study again. So if you truly want to study smarter, remember these 4 rules. 1. Use active recall. 2. Use spaced repetition. 3. Study in focused sessions. 4. Teach what you learn. Because success in studying isn't about who studies the longest. It's about who understands how the brain actually learns. And maybe the reason you struggled for so long was never because you were incapable. Maybe nobody ever taught you the correct way to study. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thanks.